Hi, welcome back. I'm Annabelle. Today we have a quick power class for all levels. When you are ready, we'll begin. Come into a seated position. Place the palms on your knees beside you, somewhere comfortable. Gently close your eyes. Lengthen the spine. Let the hips get heavy. Bring your awareness to your natural breath. And slowly start to deepen your inhale and lengthening your exhale. Take a couple more breaths. Fill the belly up like a balloon. Exhale, release. Another inhale through the nose. Exhale, release your facial muscles, relax the shoulders. One more inhale. Exhale, open your eyes, palms up overhead. Inhale. Exhale, spinal twist to the right. Bring the fingers to the ground. Inhale again. Exhale to the left. Inhale, palms touch overhead. Exhale, palms to the mat. Round the spine. Maybe you bring the elbows to the mat or your forehead. Walk the hands back. Come into your knees. Push the feet out. Make your way to a tabletop. Your shoulders are above the wrist, hips above the knees. Inhale, dip the belly, arch your back. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale again. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Right hand comes up. Fingers pointing towards the sky. Exhale. Forehead, your right temple to the mat. The left hand comes behind you. Lower the hands. Lift yourself back up. Left hand comes up. Inhale. Exhale. Right hand comes behind. Right hand meets back on the mat. Curl the toes. Your knees are about hip distance apart. Press through the palms. Engage your core. Lift the knees off your mat. Exhale, lower. Inhale again. Lift the knees a few inches off your mat. Exhale, release. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Come to the backs of your feet. Push the hips back. Extend the hands out. Forehead to the mat. Curl the toes, hips up and back, down dog. Walk to the top of your mat. And bring the belly closer to your thighs. And slowly rise up, moving one vertebrae at a time. Your chin is tucked in. Hands up overhead. Inhale. Exhale, side body bend to the right. Back to center. Exhale. Baby back bend. Exhale, fold. Step, jump, or walk the feet back. Let's hold our plank for 2 full breaths. Lower all the way down. Open your heart. Spread the fingers wide. Push through the palms. Curl the toes, hips up and back. We'll do that 2 more times. Fold. Come up. Side body bend to the right. To the left. Baby back bend. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Step back. Take your vinyasa. Up, dog. Back to our down dog. We'll do that one more time, picking up our pace. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Slowly make your way up. Inhale, grab your left wrist with your right hand. Exhale, fold. To the right side. Inhale again. Exhale. Baby back bend. And fold. Step back. Chaturanga. Back to our down dog. Right knee to either your chin, your nose, or your forehead. Round the spine, flex the foot, point the foot, place it right beside the right hand, lower the left knee. Right hand comes up. Grab the foot, the left foot. That's optional. Lower the foot. Swing that right leg back into a plank. Transition on your left hand. Right hand comes up. Option to lift that right leg. Bend the leg if it's lifted. Gently place it outside the right hand. Swing that leg back. Chaturanga. Up dog. Back to our down dog. Left leg comes to the chest, the nose, or the forehead. Hold that. Place it outside the left hand. Lower the back knee. Left hand comes up. Option to take your bind. Lower the right leg. Swing that left leg back. Bind, not bind, but side plank. Lift that left leg up. If you did it on the other side, bend the knee, point the toes, gently place it on the left edge of your mat. Left hand comes down. Swing that leg back, lower, up dog, and back to our down dog. We'll pause in down dog. Bring the chest closer towards the thighs. Tuck the chin in. Push the floor away. Right knee comes close to your nose or your forehead. Flex that foot, place it between both hands. Runner's lunge. Slowly lift that leg off your mat, the left leg. Continue to place the hands on your mat, or you have the option to put a slight bend in the knee. Point the toes, bring the hands to your heart. Airplane the hands out. Option to stay here or to take a curtsy squat. And back to your warrior three. One more time. Warrior three. One more time, just for fun. Oops. Lower the left leg, palms down on your mat. Back to our down dog. Left leg this time comes to the forehead or the nose or the chest. Step it between both hands. Take your runner's lunge. Lift that right leg off your mat. And if you can, your hands off your mat. Extend the hands out long. Curtsy squat. Back to warrior three. Another one. Oops. And if you fall out of it, that means your body is being challenged, and that's okay. One more time. Put the hands down. Right leg comes back, left leg. Lower. Up dog. Back to our down dog. Step, jump, or hop to the top of your mat. Lower the feet. Use your triceps to push the knees away. Sway from side to side. You may stay here, or you have the option to take crow pose. Or a headstand, any inversion arm balance of your choice. You could even do tripod headstand by placing your palms on your mat. Adjust myself here a little. Come into your crow position. Bring the head down on the mat. Lift the feet off your mat. And slowly extend the legs up. Point the toes. Slowly bring them down. Meet in a crow pose. And back to our yogi squat. Come all the way down. Extend the hands out long. Lift the legs off your mat. You don't want your shoulders up high. Relax the shoulders. Bring them down. And slowly start to extend the legs out. As you come all the way down on your mat. Bring the knees in close to your chest. Drop the knees to one side of your mat. Right hand comes up. Lower the fingers down. Back to the middle. Repeat that on the other side. back to center. Hug yourself one last time and extend some kindness, some gratitude for showing up today. The hardest part is showing up. It's not doing the work, it's actually just showing up. So, good job. Kudos to you for pouring into yourself. Release the legs. Extend the legs out long. Spread the arms out. Palms facing up. Allow your body to melt into your mats and take rest. Slowly start to bring some awareness to your body. Wiggle the fingers, the toes. Blink your eyes. Bring the knees in close to your chest. Drop them to one side. Use your hands to help you come up. Hands to the heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If this class resonated with you, if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below on any classes that you'd like to see more of. Thank you.